but to show my solidarity with you. Kasi lahat tayo sa gobyerno, remain loyal to the Constitution. Salute the flag. Never mind if do not salute me. Where it behoves upon you, it is your duty to protect the next generation. Huwag ninyong hayaan. Alam mo, if it would outlast me, wala malaman natin, sasakay ako ng mabaril ako, whatever, maraming galit. Promise me now, wala akong hingin din. Do not compromise the next generation. It is a very serious problem of our country. Do not be afraid to do your duty. Huwag kayong matakot. Yan lang ang hingin ko sa inyo. As your Commander-in-Chief, I'm not asking you for anything. I'm just asking you to be conscious na may next generation, yung mga anak ninyo na